How to actually start your own business without quitting your job, risking everything, or having a perfect idea. Let's be real. Most people wait. They wait for the right moment, the perfect plan, the big investment. And while they wait, someone else starts. First, stop overthinking. You don't need a perfect idea. You need a problem you can solve, starting today. Step 1. Watch people. What frustrates them? What wastes their time? What do they complain about? That frustration, that's your opportunity. Write it down. Step 2. Validate before you build. Don't code an app. Don't order inventory. Don't design a logo. Just ask. Talk to 10 people. Ask, if I solve this for you, would you pay for it? 1 yes is proof. 3 yeses is traction. 10 yeses is a business. Step 3. Start small. Test fast. Launch the simplest version. A PDF, a manual service, a single feature. Get it in front of real users. Listen. Fix what's broken. Improve what works. Repeat. Step 4. Reinvest your first profits. Don't take a salary. Don't buy a new phone. Put every dollar back into making the product better, reaching more people, speeding up delivery. That's how small becomes sustainable. Real entrepreneurs don't wait for perfect. They start messy. They learn in public. They adapt faster than anyone else. Your idea doesn't need to change the world on day 1. It just needs to help one person, then 10, then 100. The market will tell you what to build next, so stop planning, start doing. Your turn.